marker? That guy right there.
Whatever. And spending the day in Austin today, so
I'm about to do that one.
For you guys.
Not yet.
If you'll enjoy, hit that thumbs up, and we're gonna get the day started.
Good. Come on. Left foot out. Nice. Go for it. Hold it. Hold it. You got it. There it is. Good. Now finish it. Look, I got it on film. Yeah.
I don't know. It's so sour.
Give it.
He wants it so bad.
Is it worth it?
Hey, Buzz. I bet Buzz would eat it.
It'll make it in.
Now Roman wants it.
Buzz like, what?
I'll try. Nope, can't do it.
Buzz, get it, Buzz. Get it.
I love when they pull their lips up like that. It's so funny.
You go up, freeze.
Whoa. That's a big goal.
That's good. Okay, like this.
Alright, I'll go behind you.
Just
And the other foot.
two steps. And then you do these steps. Two.
Okay, go. You gotta make sure not do this whenever you're alone, okay?
Always have a spotter, right?
video. Woo! Look at that!
I like we're over here. We're like.
People say you have to have a lot of passion for what you're doing, and it's totally true. And the reason is it's because it's so hard that if you don't, any rational person would give up. It's really hard, and you have to do it over a sustained period of time. So if you don't love it, if you're not having fun doing it, you don't really love it, you're going to give up. And that's what happens to most people, actually. If you really look at the ones that ended up, being successful, unquote, in the eyes of society, and the ones that didn't, oftentimes it's the ones that are successful loved what they did so they could persevere when it got really tough. And the ones that didn't love it quit because they're sane. Right? Who would want to put up with this stuff if you don't love it? So it's a lot of hard work, and it's a lot of worrying constantly. And if you don't love it, you're going to fail.
Are you having fun?
Figure out that myself.
Having fun?
Yeah. Are you?
Still climbing. It's been a good day so far. Really good day. It's like 3 o'clock. I'm gonna go get some lunch in a little bit. We're gonna keep climbing. So I'll show you guys when we get lunch. Where is he?
There.
Come here, little guy. Yeah, there's a rooster that lives over there. Hey, buddy.
Nope.
He's beautiful. I know.
She's like, I know, isn't he?
He's so pretty.
Give me that.
Give me that.
Oh,
Look,
oh, he's puffing up at you. Uh-oh, Parker.
Oh man.
Parker, he doesn't like you. He's like, get out of here.
Yeah, it's a
Get on out of here.
it's a male.
He's coming after you, Parker.
He is. Hello, guy. Hi. So leaving the rock gym, gonna go get some Indian food. It's a good climbing session. It's pretty successful, I guess. How did you guys do?
Always be good.
Good. Okay.
Hey guys, so we're back home now and taking the kids, the puppies, out to play. You can hear the pig. What are you doing, Roman? Oh, that's a good growl.
Yeah, it's like I'm on a playground. Get him, Buzz.
But still seems tired.
Oh,
Good
licking
boy.
it. He's like, come and get it. Buzz, go. Buzz.
Not me. There you go.
There you go.
Oh, you're chasing.
Yeah. Walk out.
Not me. Little butt flame.
He learned the butt slams from Buzz.
Oh, Biden's legs. Aw. Buzz has no chance. You have to at least make him think that there's a chance.
His face.
Aw. Buzz.
He'll just drop that toy that
Buzz.
he
Yeah.
has. Just
Buzz.
that one.
Buzz. Buzz.
Squeak it.
Buzz. Here.
Watch, he'll drop it.
Oh.
Good.
Look, he's wait. Which one do I want?
Get it, Buzz.
He's squishing at his nose.
And there you go.
Jerk, Roman. You're so rude.
Yeah! Good boy, Buzz!
He's like, this is a decoy toy.
Yeah.
Roman looked over at Parker.
What?
It's like, Dad, it's all my toy.
That was awesome. Buzz has some smarts.
Yeah, that's the smartest move we've seen him do. That was good.
When really looking in the looks like your arms are coming out of my head. Just is that weird? Weird angle. Okay.
Hello, my puppy boo.
It's been a good day. If you can hear noise upstairs. My brother's watching Mad Max. Yeah, we're about to go up and watch it in my dad's really intense theater area. Crazy speakers. I don't know. What do you like about that day?
Climbing.
That was fun.
Nasha.
Oh, Indian food. It's good. But it's boys and Roman. So I actually killed part of a climb earlier that I've been working on for a while now. And stop. And I wish that I had gotten footage of it, because maybe tomorrow. That's Roman. Stop! I did really well on a climb that I have been working on for a while, so it was pretty cool. Had a lot of good food. We're just gonna watch a movie, kind of hang out. That's about it. It was kind of a normal Saturday for us. Spending time with the family, and then tomorrow we're gonna go over to my sister's in Elgin and go back to the rock gym. Have more good
A
food.
movie eventually, I think.
Possibly a movie. So really, really good weekend. I love these days.
Mm.
They're good days.
Mm-hmm.
Really good days. But yeah,
Let's go.
yeah, we're gonna go watch the movie. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it was kind of random, all over the place. So if you do like these, be sure and hit that thumbs up. Dogs are running. Be sure and hit that thumbs up and leave me some comments below and let me know what you think about these random daily vlogs. I'm gonna go eat some snacks, watch a movie. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Roman, get out of there! Get out of there! He's trying to open his food.
So cute. Of course, I gotta get this on Snapchat.